In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change to landscape in Google Docs. If you've ever needed a wider page for a chart, a schedule, or a photo-heavy document, switching your document to landscape orientation is the quick fix. Landscape simply means the page is wider than it is tall, which gives your content more horizontal room to breathe. The good news is that this change takes just a few clicks and works across the entire document, so you won't spend time adjusting each page separately. Start by opening your Google Doc in a web browser. Make sure you're looking at the document you want to change. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the menu bar. Click File. This is the same file menu where you'd normally find options like creating a new document or downloading a copy, and it's where Google keeps the main document level settings. If your window is small and you don't immediately see the menu bar, try maximizing the window or zooming out slightly so the top menus are visible. From the File menu, choose Page Setup. Page Setup is your control center for page-level settings, such as paper size, margins, and orientation. When the Page Setup dialog box opens, look for the Orientation section. You'll see two options: Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the default for most documents, but for anything that's wider than it is tall, Landscape is the better fit. Click Landscape to select it. Some versions will show a small preview, so you can visualize the change before applying it, which is helpful if you're deciding how your content will lay out. Once Landscape is selected, click OK to apply the change to all pages in your document. Google Docs will immediately reflow your text and images to match the wider page. Give your document a quick scan to make sure everything looks the way you expect. Sometimes line breaks, tables, or images may shift slightly with the new width, and a brief review helps you catch anything that needs a minor nudge. That's it. You've switched your Google Doc to Landscape. If you ever want to return to Portrait, you can repeat the same steps and select Portrait in the Page Setup dialog. Remember, this setting applies to the entire document. For most projects, that's exactly what you want for a clean, consistent layout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra horizontal space for your next document.